Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. It is good to see you back, but if you're someone new, hi, I'm Sagarika Yadav and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and vlogs. But there is so much more, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you hit the bell icon so you'll be notified next time I upload any video and you don't miss out on them. In this video, I'm going to teach you not only one but two makeup looks. We are going to create this cute no makeup look perfect for office and a casual day out, and we are going to transform this day look into the gorgeous night glam look perfect for party. And I'm going to use affordable but super good quality products, and this video is going to be very helpful for you, so make sure you watch it till the end. It's going to be fun. As you can see, मैंने अपना बेस मेकअप ऑलरेडी कर रखा है, अदरवाइज ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाता. बट प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड लेट मी नो इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन हाउ आई डू माय बेस. बस आपका बेस मेकअप जितना अच्छा होगा, आपका मेकअप उतना ही फ्लॉलेस एंड ब्यूटीफुल लगेगा. सो आई हैव यूज्ड मॉइस्चराइजर, फाउंडेशन, concealer and my favorite loose powder, and don't forget sunscreen if you're stepping out. So this little buddy will help us to pack our hair so that makeup करने में कोई भी problem ना हो. So all the brushes that I'm using in this video is by VEGA Beauty. They have good quality and affordable brushes. I will link them below. I want my day look to be very no makeup look as you saw. Hence I'm starting with a neutral eyeshadow palette, and this one is by Swiss Beauty Cosmetics, and they have such good quality products at amazing prices. I mean, this palette is only for 180 rupees. Using this brand from past 3 years. If you're a beginner, then you should definitely invest in their eyeshadow palette. So starting off with this fluffy eyeshadow brush from VEGA Beauty, I'm going to pick this beautiful peach color as my eyeshadow, applying it on the upper eyelid along the crease line, starting till the end as you can see. Start with blending your eyeshadow properly so that आपका makeup flawless लगे and patchy नहीं लगे. So this is how you should blend your eyeshadow. So blend, blend, blend. So as you can see the difference, we have achieved this nice subtle eyeshadow. Quickly finishing with the other eye as well, blending nicely. So ये close up उनके लिए है who really struggle with applying eyeshadow for their everyday look. So this is how you have to blend in. Now using this thin brush, I'm going to pick the same peach color, and this time I'm going to apply it along my lower lash line. Remember, आपको lash line पे नहीं, उसके नीचे apply करना है. This will give your eyes a nice complete look. And ये step important है to bring back the natural depthness of the eyes. And don't forget this step. So our eyeshadow look is almost done. And आपने देखा कितना easy था eyeshadow apply करना. So please comment down below and let me know अगर ये आपको भी बहुत easy and helpful लगा. So using this golden glitter eyeshadow and with the help of a thin brush, people often forget this step, but please don't. And this is how I'm going to apply this in the inner corner of my eye. And this gives your eyes a really nice bright effect, as you can see the difference. And that's it. In 2 steps our eyeshadow look is done. And कितना easy था एक subtle eye makeup achieve करना, है ना? So now we are going to do our blush with the help of this fluffy brush. So using this orange shade because मैं makeup look काफी monochromatic रखना चाहती हूँ, and please tap the excess product on the palette like this so that you don't end up applying too much product on the first hand. People often ask me where do I apply my blush, so I start at the apple of the cheek and then I take it towards the high point. Always gently apply your blush with very less pigment so that you don't overdo it and it looks very natural on your face. And if you're a beginner, always start with less product and blend it properly on the nose to have that cute girl look. And I love this sun-kissed look on my face. So there you go, our blush is done and it is looking so natural, so subtle. And अगर आपको भी इतना natural look achieve करना है, so please keep in mind the steps that I followed. And जब हमारे पास इतना beautiful eyeshadow palette हो, तो कोई external highlighter की need नहीं, as I promised you that I'm going to create the entire look around this palette only. So first I'm going to pick this beautiful golden glitter shade using the same fluffy brush, and then I'll start applying it on the bridge of my nose as you can see. And look, it has given a very nice glowy look already. Then I'm going to apply on high points of my cheek and look at that glow. Beautiful. And the other cheek as well. And any eye look is incomplete without a mascara, but first we are going to curl our lashes, and this one is also by VEGA Beauty. You just have to look straight and gently curl them in between. And actually लोगों को काफी difficult लगता है, but it is very easy to do once you practice. And look at that. It has given such a beautiful curl to our lashes. And this is one of my favorite steps to do. Now it's time for the mascara, and I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. And I always prefer scraping out the excess product before applying this. And for the people who find applying mascara very difficult, please remember you have to apply it in the upward motion and in the zigzag manner. And with practice, you will be able to do this in seconds. Trust me. And mascara is one of my favorite products, and as you can see, this eye looks so complete as compared to the other eye. And with the remaining product, I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line. And as you can see, mascara gives your eye a very complete look. So our look is almost complete. Only one step is remaining, and that is lipstick. And today I'm using this Maybelline one. By the way, आपने मेरा favorite nude lipstick collection का video देखा ही होगा. Otherwise, the link will be in the description box below. So I'm using Maybelline's Creamy Matte in the shade Nude Nuance. And there you go. Our entire look is complete and looking stunning. And I'm so happy with the way this look has turned out. ये इतना natural and subtle लग रहा है. And this has that perfect no makeup look वाला vibe. And the best part is we achieved this look in minimum products and few steps. So it's amazing. Now let's quickly transform this day look into a night glam look. And don't worry, this night glam party look will be done in minutes. Firstly, we are going to pack our hair as before. And then I'm going to use the same eyeshadow brush. This time I'm going to pick this brown eyeshadow from the palette as I want to create a more dramatic look. I'm tapping the excess product in the palette so that I don't end up applying too much. You have to apply only at the outer corner in a V motion. इससे क्या होगा? You will create a really nice depth to your eye look. So आपको only outer corner पे apply करना है, अंदर बिल्कुल भी नहीं apply करना है. And as you can see, the depth that we have created in this eye as compared to the other eye. In the same process in the other eye, applying the eyeshadow only in the V motion at the outer corner. Now using a thin brush, we are going to pick this dark brown shade. Apply a wing eyeliner using the same. यहाँ पे if you want to skip this step, you can apply a black eyeliner also over here. But I just really love the smoky effect that an eyeshadow creates. So I'm applying it close to the lash line, creating a wing eyeliner look. And it has given such a sharp look to my eyes, which I really love. This step will really accentuate your eyes. In case मेरी तरह अगर आपका भी eyeshadow वाला eyeliner बिगड़ गया हो, so you can just take the eyeshadow brush and take your compact powder or any loose powder, and I'm going to clean the rest of the area and make the eyeliner more sharp. And when you actually mess up your eyeliner, you can use a little bit of concealer also to make it look sharp and clean. This is like a cheating wala trick that you can do. And I really love this sharp, dramatic eye look. But to make it more glam and party-like, I'm going to use this golden glitter eyeshadow shade again. And I'm going to apply it only at the center of my eyelid, giving that shiny look. You can use any glitter shade which will complement your makeup and your jewelry. And you can see that sparkle, it's beautiful. Quickly doing my inner corner as well. And take a fluffy brush to remove any fallout from the eyeshadow. And I'm going to take the earlier brown shade and use it on my lower lash line using the thin brush. And there you go, our eyeshadow look is complete. And kitna easy it how to transform a day look into a night glam. And you know, if you have a dinner party after an office meeting, this trick is a game changer. It will transform your entire makeup look in minutes. And I'm doing my mascara again to give a more curl to my lashes. And doing my blush again as I did before. Picking up the same orange shade and start applying it on the apple of my cheek and taking it towards the high point in the upward motion. And blush is something that really fades away the entire day, so it is really important to do your blush again. Of course, doing it a little bit on the nose And you know, if your face starts to look dull, it is really important to do your highlighter again to bring back that glow to your face. And I'm doing a little bit on my brow bone also to give it a really nice shiny effect. And for my lips, I'm going with this beautiful nude shade by Lakme. And this is such an amazing shade. And you might recognize this lipstick from my latest video of nude lipstick collection. The link is in the description box below. And the tip is really narrow. You can outline your lips very easily. I love this lipstick shade because it is nude also, but at the same time it is very impactful. And there you go, our Night Glam look is done. And कितना easy था to transform a day look into this beautiful party-like night glam look. It only took a few steps and the same products and you can achieve a whole new different look. So that's it for the video. Please comment down below and let me know what you think of these looks. And I would love to hear feedback from you. And don't forget, all the products will be in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. If you like this video and found it helpful, make sure you hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified and you don't miss out on any of my videos. And your encouragement and love means so much to me and it really motivates me to make more such helpful videos for you. And links to my other videos will also be in the description box below. It's a vlog, makeup tutorial, review and so much. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.